My husband and I love this Hita Hair Scalp Massage Shampoo Brush. It is very easy to hold and it has these flexible bristle heads, which we really love. Now, I've tried some that are very hard and it does not feel good, but these are flexible and they suds up so well. I just love it. My husband loves it too. We both love using it, and it stimulates your scalp when you use it dry. Very easy to use. And I love using this more than my nails because that way I'm not scratching up my head or putting extra stress on my fingernails. It has this handle right here, and this is perfect for all hair types. My husband has thick hair and I have thinner hair, and it works great for both of us. And it really cleanses our scalp and removes any of the excess oil. It really gets down deep. I can totally feel the difference after using that versus not using it. Definitely recommend it. Thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful.